Hi guys, so right before we get into the challenge, I'm going to be cleansing my face. So first I'm taking my Microdermabrasion Scrub by DERMA. I love to use this when I'm going for a glowy look because it just helps to exfoliate everything and leaves me looking so nice and soft. Then I'm going in with the star of the show. This is the Nourish Cleansing Oil by DERMA. I freaking love this stuff. This is great to use before makeup because it just helps to keep your skin looking glowy and natural, and it just creates a really nice base for your foundation and all of your face makeup. So I'm just going to be using that and then towel drying.
What's good, everybody? It's Leah. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be the natural makeup challenge, and you guys are probably like, Leah, all you do are natural looks. Girl, you have never shown us anything dramatic. What are you talking about? Dramatic is not my thing. I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to beat my face, but also try to make it look really natural, because I think when I beat my face, I can never make it look natural. I'm like, hey, let me put on some eyeshadow, and honestly, takes control from there. Today I'm gonna try to incorporate like my everyday natural makeup routine with making it glam. I have a bunch of products here. We're even gonna be doing some lashes today. So we're gonna do like a natural look, but then we're gonna add lashes. I think that's what makes it glam. We'll see what happens. I don't like how this looks. Maybe like, ooh, I know what to do. Let's add a fireplace up in this. Okay, we're gonna leave the fireplace there. But yeah, guys, make sure you stay tuned until the end of the video for a giveaway. I'll be giving away this product that I used in the beginning of this video, and I'm gonna sign it and I'm gonna write a letter and everything like that to you guys. Stay tuned until the end to see how to enter. Anyways, let's get on with the challenge. Boom, makeup light is on. We're ready to rumble. I should have had like my glam studio backdrop and all that because, you know, trying to be glam, but like, you know, I don't want to be zoomed in. I don't know. Okay, so I figured I'd show you guys some skincare, how I like to achieve my glowy skincare look. So first, always after I wash my face, I like to use these two sprays. These are the Mario Badescu spray. I use this one and the green one, but I just purchased the one that has lavender in it. This has lavender in it, which really helps to relax you, and it just feels so nice. So I'm gonna spritz those on my face. I already went ahead and applied my under eye cream, but this is what I always love to do before applying any foundation, anything on my face ever. Fishy. Sorry, I'm just waiting for this to dry. The video is sponsored by them. I always use their products, like no freaking lie. Like they're just the best to me, and I've been using them for a couple of years now. On my face, I'm gonna be applying the DERMA Vitamin C Concentrated Serum and the Vitamin C Renewing Moisturizer. I'm gonna be mixing those together. After that, I'm gonna be applying the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. This is a moisturizer and a primer in one. You can tell I really love to moisturize, and that's because it's winter and my skin is trying to play with me. The rest I just rub on my hands because sometimes it can be too much. Alright guys, we are primed. We are ready to rumble. So for foundation, I'm going to be using the only foundation that I've been using for a couple months now, and that is the Fenty Beauty in the color 420 Neutral. Since this is like my summer foundation, like it's a little too dark for me, I'm going to be mixing it with the L'Oreal True Match in the color Classic Tan N7. Together, I'll get my perfect concoction. I think 2 pumps is good because, you know, I think we're doing glam today. This might be too much. Let me chill out. More, guys. Less is always more in my opinion. But I think I got my perfect shade. I really need a new foundation. I'm thinking about getting a NARS one. I am really enjoying their concealer right now. I'm like, hey, I should give their foundation a shot. I really want like a full coverage one. Like I'm not gonna wear it all the time, but I feel like I'm never full coverage when I want to be. Don't have like a really full coverage foundation. My skin's weird. I don't understand. Why can't I look like Alyssa Ashley? I don't understand. So I just went to a beauty blender event today, and they came out with like their new like chill beauty blender. So I got this blue one from them. I'm gonna be using it. Pretty good coverage. The makeup gods might be on my side today. Finally, it's my time to shine. Usually a natural makeup day for me does not consist of any foundation because I just can't deal, and I feel like I don't really need it. For the sake of the glam, we're doing foundation. Okay, I think this is pretty good. Wow, it gave me like a beautiful finish, and I think all the products that I used before to help me get the glowy skin really helped as well. Cool beans. Okay, so now I think we're gonna move on to brows. So I'm just gonna wipe off my brows because you don't want any of that product messing with how your brows apply. Per usual, gonna be using my favorite brow product, the Ka-Brow by Benefit in the color 6. I always read it like I don't know what I'm reading. Gonna take a spoolie and brush my eyebrows. Doing them baddie brows today, you feel me? Girl, I did not blend my foundation all the way. Nobody told me. See, this is why I can't do makeup. I did not blend. Oh wow. I feel like I be catching myself slipping. Like, I just be looking crusty. I'm just out here looking crusty sometimes. I don't understand. I cannot stress how much I love this product. It goes with like my hair color so well, and it just like calms my hairs and it just like leaves it looking so fleeky. Like I just can't. Okay, so now it is time to conceal my eyebrows. So I'm gonna be taking one of my favorite concealers lately. This is the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer. I'm taking some of that on an angled brush and just carving out my brows. And if you suck at your eyebrows, this really helps to just clean them up a lot. So since we are going for like a glam full coverage look, I'm gonna be taking this concealer and just putting that on any spots that I feel like need some help. The same brush because it's like a pot-like consistency, so I can't like just take a thingy. I'm gonna be putting that everywhere. I feel like natural glam is all about like how good your face makeup looks. Okay, so now we're going to move on to regular concealer. I'm gonna take this one with my finger. By the way, this is in the shade Amande, my skin tone shade, because I don't like to highlight or anything. I'll be showing you guys my natural everyday makeup routine for school, and this product is literally the start of the show of that. Now I'm gonna be taking a little bit of the Tarte Shape Tape. I really like to mix my concealer. If anything is going heavy on my face, it's my concealer. And then I'm gonna take a little tiny bit of the ColourPop No Filter one in the color Deep Golden. I need to chill out. Then quickly, I'm going to set it with my Ben Nye banana powder. I'm gonna be baking today. Okay. There's a cat crying outside my window. I was just shook. I feel cute when I bake. I don't know why. Now I'm gonna be taking a palette that I've been obsessed with lately. See, it's my Ray Ray palette. Beautiful. It's freaking beautiful. I need to do like a video using this, but I'm gonna be using this to contour. I'm gonna be taking these two colors. This Real Techniques brush. This is not a contour brush, whatever. Trying to mold out my face. Mold out my sculpt, contour, whatever. It creates such like a natural contour, which I'm obsessed with. You know it's a glam look when I bake and when I contour, because I barely do these things. I try to disguise that double chin. Now using my Sephora Mega Smooth powder in the color 40 and this Eco Tools brush, I'm just gonna be wiping away the bake. I freaking love this powder, guys. My skin looks good. Wow, the makeup gods are blessing me today. Do you guys see this? Wait, let me turn this off. Do you guys see? I kind of don't like this light. I don't think I'm gonna use the light. I should have just kept it off though. So sorry, I should have just kept it off the whole time. So for blush, I'm using the Pixi by Petra Sheer Cheek Gel in the color Natural of this product. I feel like using cream products is what really gives you like that natural look. It's my beauty blender again. It was so dirty, I didn't even recognize it. Oh, this is so pretty. Wow, I might start wearing foundation more. That's really pretty. So now I guess I'm gonna be doing eyeshadow. I'm gonna be using my favorite palette. It's my Ray Ray palette by BH Cosmetics. Gonna be taking these two colors. I think these are the most natural colors. Add a little something, you know. It's all over the lid. This is like my everyday makeup. Like, why am I even considering this a challenge? I guess it's like a challenge for a lot of people because you like such glam looks, and like I really look up to that. Like I wish I was like talented or comfortable enough to do like really glam looks all the time. I really just love the natural look of myself personally. Now I'm gonna be taking some eyeliner. I'm gonna be taking the 24 Hour Color Precise by Rimmel London. So for lashes today, I'm using the Ardell Wispies. This is a multi-pack. These are the Demi Wispies. I'm using some Duo Lash Gel, Lash Glue, whatever. I like these packs because I'm the type of person to just like lose my lashes. Like at the end of the day, like when they come off, I just can't. Like I just can't do it. So I just be throwing them out, which is not good. I'm using the Duo Lash Glue in the color Dark Tone. It dries really well. That smells good at all though. Let me know if you guys want me to do that challenge that's going around on YouTube where like you mix all your stuff together. Like your foundation, your concealer, just like anything you have, because that's really fun and I feel like it would be very satisfying. Are you guys following me on Instagram? I don't think you are. I think you're lying. This is my feed. It's pretty nice. I just posted a gym video today. Not the gym video. Just posted a gym video today. I do not know how Jackie, Ina, Alyssa, Ashley, all of them, I don't know how they be looking so good while putting on lashes. I will never be on that level. I'm like, also, if you don't follow me on Snapchat, You should do that too. Now to blend in my eyelashes with each other, I'm gonna be taking the Makeup Shayla Colossal Big Shot by Maybelline. I'm supporting two influencers in this video. It's my Ray Ray with her palette and then Makeup Shayla with her mascara. Amazing. Hope to come out with like my own thing one day. That would be amazing. Hair is falling right now. Now for highlight, I'm gonna be taking the It's My Ray Ray palette again and taking this color called French Toast. Boom, 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 boom. Do you see that? Boom. I don't care what anyone says about nose highlighting. I love how it looks. A little bit on the brow bone. And then I'm gonna be taking that and putting it on my inner corner. Then we can take the hair down now. We are flourishing in this. Now I'm gonna be taking my favorite gloss right now. This is the Fenty Beauty Universal Gloss. I love this. I feel like this is the perfect way to end this tutorial because this is just, I use this when I'm not wearing makeup. I use it when I'm barely wearing makeup. Just an amazing product. I look so good. It's 11 p.m. at night and I'm really sad that I have to take this off. Shook that there's no flashbacks. But yeah guys, you basically reached the end of the video, so it is giveaway time. So I'm gonna be giving away the DERMA Nourishing Rose Cleansing Oil. That's the oil that you guys saw me use before this video, and I love the finish that it gives me. It leaves my skin feeling so soft. Since I do have oily skin, it's really great to just add the oil. Fireplace is still going. Since I do have oily skin, it's really great to add the oil back in just to balance my skin and everything like that. It's also great for dry skin as well. Skin is naturally oily, but if you do struggle with dry skin during the winter, which is very common for people in the winter time, I suggest that you get this product. I'll have the link to this down below, and I'll also have the Instagram tutorial that I did. The rules to win one of these. So I'm gonna have two winners. You guys, one, have to be subscribed to my channel. Two, you have to be following my Instagram and my Twitter, as well as DERMA's Instagram and Twitter. You guys have to retweet the tweet that I'm going to be tweeting. That's a lot of words. To retweet the tweet that I'm going to be tweeting about these cleansing oils. I'll have the link in the down bar for you guys. And then the last thing that you need to do is comment down below what your favorite way to nourish your skin is. Mine is using my cleansing oil because it leaves my skin feeling very glowy and fresh and nice. Use face masks, and I also love to steam my face with just hot water and a hot towel. It's just the best thing ever. Okay guys, those are the rules. Picking a winner on the 26th, and make sure you follow me on Twitter because that is where I will be announcing it, so you guys need to know and stuff like that. So yeah guys, good luck. I really hope that you do enter. That's basically it for this week's video, and I'll see you guys very soon with a new one. Peace, I love you, bye!
Go off when I enter the building.